Thanks for watching. Welcome to today's class. And our topic today is AP. AP is an abbreviation, but it means arithmetic progression. But what is AP? If a set of numbers is arranged consecutively, that is, following one another, and every member of the set is obtained from the previous member by a certain rule, comma, we call the set of numbers a sequence or arithmetic or arithmetic progression or arithmetic progression. So now, without wasting much of our time, and for the sake of time too, I want to dive straight into calculations in this topic and give you the principles behind the calculations and how to solve problems here. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I have a lot to teach you on this, but this is just an introduction to this. What I want you to learn today is what we call A, like the terms you need to know in this topic. A means first term, and T1 is equals to A. T1 is equals to what? A. And we have a formula like this: Tn equals to A plus bracket n minus 1 D. We have a formula like this. From this formula, we can obtain so many terms and formula that will enable us solve calculations on this topic. And trust me, this topic has technical questions that requires in-depth understanding of the concept of this topic. So if you must excel and be at your absolute best at this particular topic, you have to understand what I'm about to teach you now. Since we have agreed on this, the D here means common difference. Common difference. The N here is the number of terms, that is n terms. You can call it number of terms. For instance, if you ask to find T2, T2 will be equals to A plus bracket n here we put 2 minus 1 bracket D. Now T2 is equals to A plus 2 minus 1, 1. 1 times D will give us D. So T2 is equals to A plus D. How do you find T3? T3, using this formula again, is equals to A plus bracket 3 minus 1. Then T3 is equals to A plus 3 minus 1 will give us 2. 2 times D. D. That's why we have T3 to be A plus 2D. How do you find T4? T4 equals to A plus bracket 4 minus 1 D. So T4 is equals to A plus 4 minus 1, 3. 3 times D, 3D. So if you understand this now, that means your T5, without using this formula, should be A plus 4D. And your T6 should be A plus 5D. It will continue like that. Did you understand? So that is that on AP and GP. Later I'm going to teach some of AP, but that will be a subtopic of another day. I don't want to incorporate this some of AP in today's class. So I want you to understand the normal concept of AP first of all, so that you can solve many questions on AP and endeavor to learn this, know this formula, because here I don't want to start deriving formulas because it's of no use to you. What you need to learn is how to solve problems pertaining to this topic, not how to derive formula. What is the gain if you learn how to derive this formula but you don't know how to solve questions on this? It's vain. It's a vain knowledge. It's of no use. So I believe you understood this, and I'm going to give you more questions on this to enable you understand this particular topic and how to solve questions on this topic. So that is that on AP, and thank you for watching.